In this tutorial you are going to learn how to apply an email signature in Apple Mail on your iPhone. Before we start, please ensure you have access to the email signature on your phone. Select the whole thing, and click Copy. A good way to do this is by emailing the email signature to yourself. To begin, go to your settings. Then scroll down and select Mail. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Signature. If you have multiple email accounts, you will want to ensure you have the Per Account option ticked. Then, scroll and select the email account you want to apply the signature to. In the relevant box, paste the email signature. Check it is displaying correctly. If not, you may need to re-copy and paste the signature. Once you have checked it and you are satisfied, you have successfully applied your email signature. Please note, with default email signatures like this, you will on occasions experience display issues. This will be due to different device sizes, device makes, email platforms and signature design. To avoid display issues, you will need to invest in a professional email signature software. To discuss your email signature options, visit our website or contact us today. Thanks for watching.